Hello! Today I'm doing a bit of repair on my mother's car. It's flexi, but the exhaust has blown. I'll let you hear it so you can actually hear what it sounds like. About there. Sounds a lot like it's farting. So I went on eBay and I went to get just a generic flexi pipe, which was about £20. I thought, for the hell of it, I'll do a search for a vehicle specific flexi pipe, and I shit you not, you can get this entire front connection to the car flexi lambda sensor roll. Basically, it's the front part of the exhaust. This was £23. £23. Even includes a fitting kit. It's got a U-bolt and U-nuts for bolting on the cat for £23. So rather than cut the old cat off the exhaust and weld a new one in, I'm just going to replace the whole pipe. You've got 3 bolts like that. Let's talk to you. 3 bolts on the cat. There's a lambda sensor there, which I've unplugged because it plugs in up there. Can you see that? Connected there. Unplugged it. I've also, while it was slightly warm, I've sprayed it with WD-40 and then into the centre silencer. And onwards, it's just a slip fit into there. I'll probably need chopped off, but it's fine because it came with a fitting kit with another one. We'll just replace this whole thing. So first job is spray everything with WD-40, unplug the cat, which not the cat, the O2 sensor, take it all off, and then we'll worry about getting the O2 sensor off, install that in the new one and refit it. So let's do that. Right, I'm going to start at the most difficult bit, which is the cat. I'm going to use the impact driver. I'm going to use my new Christmas impact driver, which is the mkIV TW1002, which is their most powerful impact driver, and it's a heavy bastard. But let's see if it gets these nuts off, which are the worst ones, because if not I'm going to have to weld new things on the cat, and I don't really want to do that. Well, it started it. Success. Okay, that one snapped off. That's not a great start. But my day just got a lot longer. Two out of 3 ain't bad. So the next problem you usually find is this section is rusted in this section. So I like to use a nice big pair of pipe. I'll put a nice big pipe wrench, needs to be a bit in there, and you can usually spin it. Maybe near it would help. like that. Once you've got it spun round the times and all the rust's off it, it should just fall out. Right, now on to welding a stud onto that end. Great. Okay, I just need a hole big enough I can get a fucking bolt through, not in a bolt. I have managed to fit a bolt through the hole. It's a little bit long, but it won't matter. It'll hold the exhaust on. Right, stage B is remove the lambda sensor from the old exhaust and put it in the new one, and then put it all back on and fit it all back into place. Lambda sensor's in. It was easy, literally, because I wasn't a complete idiot that fitted the last one. It was my dad. It wasn't bolted in with the strength of He-Man, so I managed to get it out fairly easily from the old exhaust. Now, what I want to show you is, why is this so cheap? It's cheap because it's made on a budget. It is not the prettiest welds in the world. It is a horrible surface. I'm going to hit it with a file and get all the BBs and weld spatter off the end of it. I'll do the same on the car. But the kit does provide a gasket, which was most surprising. Gasket goes on there, and that should take up any of the slack. And then we can put this back in the car. One gasket, and well, 2 of the 3 nuts that are left. It's just a matter of putting it all together. Right. Does it fit in the hole? That's a good start, fits in that hole. Right, let's put our gasket on. Maybe it'll stay. Nah, a bit too easy. Let me reorientate this so it's roughly the right. So the clamp at the other end is just a U-bolt clamp. Undo the 2 U-bolts, put it over the exhaust and tighten it up. Oh, this was supposed to be like a 10-minute job, and it probably would have been a lot faster had that stud not snapped off the cat. Which brings me to another point of using that mkIV thing. Whatever it can't undo, it snaps. Yeah. It does have lower settings. I probably shouldn't have started out on max, but hey, you know, that's me. If I'm not fixing it, I'm breaking it. And it did. Oh, and when I was taking the U-bolt off this end with the mkIV, yeah, it just snapped everything. It just snapped the bolt, and then it snapped the U-bolt in half, getting the thing off. I'll just move that up a bit so it squeezes a little bit. Like that. Tighten up. What size are you? 12 or 13? 12 or 13? 12 or 13? Oh, they're 13s. I knew something was a 13. this needs to be reasonably tight as well to crush the exhaust, the outside pipe back into shape around the new one. But not so tight that you start to oval your pipe. So I think that should be about right. So what we do now is we go and, well, plug the O2 sensor back in, that's easy, and then start it and see if there are any leaks. And in case anyone was interested, that plug there, can you see it? It's in between the starter motor and that bracket is where the O2 sensor goes. And now the camera's in the way, I can't see. Try not to bend anything or break anything. Get the right round. It is. Maybe. Yeah. Try my good hand. Can't see. Can't feel. Can't anything. That's it. Okay, I'll cable tie it back up into, or up onto there, and then once we've started it and tested for leaks. So other than the horrible noises the engine usually makes, I don't hear any leaks. I don't feel any leaks. I declare us done. I'll let Mother drive it for a week or two and then check the tightness of all these bolts again, but they should be fine, and those ones down there. But other than that, we're good to go.